So, last time I modeled a siege tank inspired by StarCraft, which turned out like that, with proper animation, mode, switching, shooting. So I thought, why not put this guy into a game? You know, you can control him, move him around, and then switch into siege mode, which allows him to shoot, just to be able to do something with him. So that's what I did. I started using 3GS for the first time, and first, before implementing the tank, I had to make all the logic. So I made a cube. Let's go. I made the cube walking around on a grid, and when I hit space, it switches into fight mode, where it can shoot inside the range. Enemies are spawning, and there are some random obstacles in the way. So the functionalities might be working, but it looks ugly. A lot that needs to be polished. Then I worked on some lighting. This already changed all the dynamics. Man, shadows make such a difference. Then the first time implementing the tank as a GRB file. It's looking good, like the top is following the cursor, but things look a bit choppy, like the rotation or the camera. Then I added physics with Canon.js, like you see all the obstacles around us here reacting to the explosion, and it's actually quite fun to play around with this. Then I had to make the chains to work, which was really a pain, because every single bone has its own keyframe and there's a mesh attached to it. But after a long battling, I finally got it to work, also with blending in other animations at the same time. Then as you can see, those are red enemies that are following the player constantly. For now they're getting spawned randomly, but I will soon make spawners, which will create them. Oh man, there's really a lot. Then I tweaked some settings and made the enemy spawners. These black things you see, they are spawning the enemies. They also have a range and an interval. I created a side panel which allows upgrades for the player. By paying, for example, with your coins, you can also place a turret for 500. But it doesn't really have a model yet, so I'm just gonna use that turret I modeled in the past. Now you can see the turret is loading. It's completely working, it's shooting. I made the tank also orange because that is my color and it just fits to the turret. I thought, wouldn't it be cool if the turret can also walk? So now it can walk. So last thing to finish this game, the enemies need a skin. So I was thinking about a flying monster, like a flying eyeball. So I quickly sculpted that. Made it some horns and some wings. Now this is the low poly version. Yeah, that's how it looks like with animation. Now it's in the game, and when they die, they collapse together. So the cool thing about this game is that it's fully HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can play it in the web browser in 1 second. So, here's the full gameplay. If you like this video concept, drop a comment to let me know what I should add next, and see you in the next one.